Hey guys, Glossybox have developed a skincare collection that is not only cruelty-free and vegan-friendly, but it also meets their customers' needs for a simple, effective and affordable skincare range. Glossybox have been listening to their very loyal community of glossies for well over a year and collated all of the feedback from that time to develop this perfect range. All of the packaging is also 100% environmentally friendly, which is phenomenal. As well as being able to purchase all of the items individually from their skincare range on their website, they've also put little bundles and sets together for you as well, so that you can save a little bit of money on a bundle purchase. I'm going to be demonstrating and showing you guys the Hydrate and Cleanse set today. It's worth £80 and you can buy it for $32 if you're a subscriber and $40 if you're a non-subscriber. And of course, Glossybox subscribers get 20% off all of the Glossybox skincare range. The Hydrate and Cleanse set consists of these 4 products that I'm going to talk you through now. I'm going to tell you how I would use them, what order I'd use them in, and demonstrate that for you as well. Now, my basic skincare routines are very similar in the morning and in the evening as well. I follow a very simple routine, and that's cleanse, tone, and moisturize. Now in the morning I will cleanse, tone and put a day moisturizer on, and in the evening I will cleanse, tone and then put some kind of night cream or night serum on, and that is exactly what this set is going to do for you. You've got your cleanser, you've got your toner in there as well, and you've also got a moisturizer and a night cream, so it's going to be perfect. So the first step in both routines is to cleanse. And for that we have our gentle foaming cleanser. This soothes and hydrates. It's worth £15 and it has a gorgeous lather. All you need is 2 pumps in your hand. You then work it up in between your hands and then you simply work into your skin in circular motions to cleanse. This can be done on dry or damp skin, whatever you prefer, but then you'll need to rinse with water afterwards to clear away all of the cleanser, and yeah, your skin will feel so hydrated and cleansed after using this. It's amazing. This product is absolutely perfect if you have sensitive skin because it is fragrance free and very gentle on your skin. 3 of the key ingredients in here are cactus stem extract that helps to soothe and moisturize your skin, resurrection leaf extract which helps to leave your complexion feeling hydrated, and also kangaroo paw flower extract which helps to keep your skin supple and fresh. So that is the first step in my morning and evening routine. The next step in my morning and evening routine is to tone, and for that I love to use the hydrating mist, although this can also be used as a primer before makeup and also as a top-up of hydration throughout the day as well. It's got a lot of benefits, but I in particular love to use this for toning. This is worth £20 and this without doubt has the finest mister I've ever seen in makeup and skincare combined. It honestly doesn't even feel like you're putting anything on your face. It is so lightweight. It's absolutely beautiful. This also has some amazing key ingredients. It's got hyaluronic acid in it, which is going to help your complexion to stay looking plump and hydrated. It's also got Inca Inchi oil, which is going to help to support your skin and keep it moisturized as well. And it also has babasu oil in it as well, which helps to keep your skin soft and nourished. This smells absolutely divine and it's so simple to use, guys. You literally just spray it on where you need it. 2 to 4 sprays I tend to use, and yeah, that's absolutely perfect, and that is the second step of my morning and evening routine. Now the last moisturizing step of the routine is where it differs. In the morning I like to use a moisturizer and in the evening I like to use a night serum. So first let me talk you through the moisturizer. Now this is the 3-in-1 moisturizer from Glossybox Skincare. It's worth £22.50 and it plumps, primes and protects. So not only does this moisturize your skin, it's great for combination and oily skin as well. Not only does this moisturize, it also creates a perfect base for makeup, which is why I love to use it in my morning routine, because I cleanse, tone, moisturize, and then I'm ready for my makeup application in the morning. Some of the key ingredients to this include hyaluronic acid, which keeps your complexion feeling plump and hydrated. Subaki oil works to moisturize your skin, and red seaweed creates a protective barrier to help lock-in moisture inside the skin. I take a pea-sized amount of this onto my hands and I rub it into my cleansed, toned skin, and yeah, that's literally it. The perfect morning routine completed with this. And of course, for my evening routine, I like to use the night serum. So this is worth £22.50 and it deeply nourishes and brightens your skin overnight. This is so deeply nourishing. You wake up with the softest skin after using this. It's absolutely phenomenal. This has a really thick consistency, so a little goes a really long way. It's absolutely amazing though, and makes your skin feel phenomenal the next morning. Again, same like the moisturiser, just take a pea-sized amount into your hand and rub it into your cleansed, toned skin for the ultimate evening routine. Some of the key ingredients in this include glycolic acid, which is going to make your skin look more even and illuminated. Blueberry oil, which is an amazing skincare ingredient, and it leaves your skin feeling more nourished and hydrated. And also Persian silk tree extract. Now this helps to reduce the signs of visible fatigue and also allows you to have a more even looking, brighter complexion. And yeah, that is the final step in my evening routine. So yeah, that was everything inside the Hydrate and Cleanse Glossybox skincare set. Thanks so much for watching, and make sure you head over to the Glossybox website via the link down below to shop the skincare range and the bundles as well. Take care guys. Bye.